So, guys, Mpumelelo Mseleku seems to have improved a lot. He seems to have improved a lot when it comes to his parenting skills because a lot of people have been criticizing him, saying that he is a deadbeat and saying all of the bad things. People criticized him because their baby mamas were crying, saying that Mpumelelo is irresponsible. Mpumelelo does not support the kids financially. So Uvuyo and Utirelo were just complaining about the same thing. So that's why people were criticizing him, saying all sorts of things. But he seems to have improved, guys. He really seems to have improved, and we really like that for him. So on Tirelo's baby's birthday, the one that is in the picture on his birthday, he posted the child. It looked like they were out nje having lunch nyana to celebrate the birthday, which is also a good thing to see that at least he is present on his birthday. And then this picture was posted on Father's Day, guys, on Sunday. He posted this picture. As you can see, he is carrying clothes, and Ama takeaway was a spare. It looks like maybe he took them to a spare, just to spend time with them. These are Vuyokazi's children, Umhlophekazi and Unzulu. So it really seems like he has improved because this is a recent picture. As you can see, Unzulu is grown now. He is like grown. It's not a picture that was taken a long time ago. So we just hope that he is going to be present now. And as time goes by, you learn from your mistakes. Even for your birthday, Kamhlopekazi, he was present. He also bought my gifts, even though people were criticizing the gifts. Like people will always talk. You try to buy what you can afford, they talk. If you don't buy, they will also talk. Ukuthi he went to a birthday party and didn't buy anything. So people will always talk, but at least he is trying. He is really trying, guys. This guy is not rich. He's not filthy rich ukuthi he will come with a Gucci bag for the birthday. He is just buying what he can afford. We also need to keep in mind that he is still young. Shame, he is still young. But as long as he is present, on birthdays and Lapayana, you can see that it looked like they went to a spare. Even the children are happy as long as he is trying. That's all.